But you don't understand. But you don't understand. Huh?
But nothing come out though.
Which one be nothing come out? No try that one. No. I know how much I collect money from you. Or every other God bless you, God bless you. Now buy an app. Now some nothing come out. Don't make me vex so. No, this if this a prank when one prank me now. No prank me. Remember you prank and got wagi. Not the joke. Oh.
Which one be prank? How I take the prank you now? I dey tell you say the only money where I hold for here now na 550.
I go 50, 550. How many five? God bless you. I talk. One no see the.
Where your money? Ah. Which money again, Oga?
Who be that? Huh?
Na people where they collect money for land.
Which money for land? Which money for land? Oga, who are you? Now what can be now why?
Na man.
Yellow be black.
Papa.
Huh?
Kinda na people where they collect money for matching grand.
Matching what?
Matching grand.
Any money we go give up for matching grand. Oga, when they you to them, Zobu, any, they go match on his grave. Which kind be money for grant for ticket for waiting?
Oga, see make I tell you, I mean the chief tax force collector for this market. So men are giving me money.
Thank God you know be Jehovah Jireh. Thank God you know be Benigwe Nkato. I thank God you are not the governor of this state. I thank God tell you know be Chukwu Okikabiama. No only tax force collector for matching grant and Gage. We are from the soil and the soil we are to go back to. In an ego side, any money we are going to give you now, the money where they go take match for your grave. Bet if you stop at Katrina, bet me.
Papa, calm down now. Now this same thing why they take you for house. You don't act again, oh.
Why go calm down? Why go calm down? Oh, you think I don't know my plan? Yeah, and I don't plan. No wonder you can't bend down. Can't kneel down for me for Gloto. Bem can get a bekele Maria na yard. Oh, suddenly, a new boy comes on to a motivational speaker. Papa, oh, Daddy, oh, Namo, you don't praise me. I know you are up to something. So this is your plan. Kepotando shibegi. Hanata mego. Unugana zune keya. Una collect money, go behind the chair. Or go do a walk.
Oh, I mean I give me money. See, if I blow alarm for this market, I no go like it.
Oh yeah, blow. Okay, blow your trumpet. Blow your alarm. Blow it. Blow anyone. Only to me. Who hold me? Only boy, leave me make I blow. Come and blow your trumpet. You're made today for bank. Their money they blow a lot for their bank a lot. You there for market, they blow alarm for blind man. You go there and dump. You know go work. I me make go pursue in this. It don't pass. People are so heartless. They don't get consent. You don't want blow alarm. Come and collect money, make I see you. Bia, we go. Bia, we go. Only one boy, come and carry me, come out here. Olua.
Men are giving money, man, they come out.
Put money I go give you. Come collect the money. Come and take it. Olua boy. You stand there, they look at me. If I fall, you go.
I dey try resolve this issue. I dey try make I resolve this issue.
You be resolver. Take me out of this place.
You no go calm down now.
Papa. Chineke bụ ọgọ ọkụ. Ekwesị bụ ọgọ ọnụ. Bịa dị ego n'igbo onwe gị. Amusu. A na-eme m ya dị ka mmadụ bụ ihe m na-ekwu. To go blind, it is a better thing. You get mine, come tell me I give you money. Any money I go give you now, the land where they go bury you now, he go take am back.
He don't do.
Amusu.
Make we dey go now, he don't do.
Blow. Come blow alarm. Come blow alarm. Chineke bụ ọgọ kele ya. Time be this. Come blow alarm. You too lazy. You too lazy to my liking. You too lazy. Eze n'ezo n'okpuru ya. Ọ dịghị onye gị na ya na-achị eze. Nyerenụ m aka o. Eze ndị eze n'ezo n'okpuru ya. Ọ dịghị onye gị na ya na-achị eze. N'eluigwe n'elu ụwa, Chukwu na-anọ gị bụ ọka. Anyhow, what is it?
I'm not happy.
You papa, what the like?
I'm not happy.
You're not happy for waiting.
I'm not happy for waiting you do for that side though.
What I do?
Why you dey act like this now?
I don't know what I do. What I do?
Come on, 100 naira where we for pay them. They get money. Now see where we did now. She never enter for this.
Oluwa boy, you don't give me 1 naira before. Since why I born you from my optical cord. Have you ever for one day carry 100 naira about this same papa take or go buy water way cold? Same papa take for your condition to give me.
I know no matter the condition, I know they like what you do.
Since why born you don't give me anything. Me I dey like your own. I dey like your own. You should talk. I know they like do when they take do something all the time. You gotta do something. I don't like you.
This all here. Like this. Because you may go give me my money, I beg. You don't throw away my gari.
Oluwa boy, leave me alone.
Okay, you don't throw away my gari. You must pay for this gari. You must pay. Gari or haji for that matter. You must pay.
Oluwa boy, leave me.
Papa, no be me they hold you. Now the woman where you throw away in gari, you go pole gari mad.
Now she hold me like this.
Okay,
Yes.
No wonder her hand can't sweet me.
Madam, they sweet you.
Madam, leave me. Have my hand.
Pay for my gari.
I don't want to happen.
Pay for my gari. Pay for my gari. I don't agree. Pay for my gari. Gari or haji, you know how much they sell am? A plate of gari na 5,000. Or haji gari na 30,000 naira. So you go pay.
How you go carry gari put for road? How you carry gari put for road?
That is 25,000. That is making it 85,000. You go pay.
Because ngando shine so
You see the thing where you dey cause. You dey see the thing now. If they tell you calm down, as I dey talk to you, I talk to you for house well. Make you calm down. You know here.
Oluwa boy, you talk too much. You talk too much. I don't like you. I don't like you. Oh yes, me here.
We are all human beings.
Ndishi kwenu. Kwenu. Kwezono. Hey! Obinigwe. This kind of children when you give me one time you know. They are great grandchildren that get teacher now we can how chain ara. I cancel. Wait oh. The cricketer where I hear. Nah, man and woman thing.
And that's believable now.
As you want go leg.
You called it somebody else, not your husband.
This is business.
I'm talking about your husband.
I'm talking about money. Yes.
Mbampa owe ura sa no no. Monkey dey walk, babu dey chop.
I want to take in a second wife.
Hey.
Blindness.
Huh?
Yes.
So you've not heard that Ibesim now is a multi-millionaire.
As I dey come back like this, now I see one of my G. He come dey tell me see my papa. Say my papa they beg for market.
Go to peace.
He's begging a crime.
Before I go beg from now to the end of this year, my